Guys, as you can see, my oil is hot. So now I'm going to start placing my salmon in. Guys, you want to place this in the pot as gently as possible. Please do not drop the meat in the pot and run, guys. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Guys, as you know, salmon cooks pretty fast, so this won't take that long. Alright guys, so now we're going to take this set out. They should be about ready now. Oh, there it is. See that, guys? That's what it should look like. See that? We're going to go ahead and put these off to the side until we finish frying the rest of them, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, so we're finished with our last set. We're just going to go ahead and get those out. And then guys, we just have one fish left to cook. So let's get that in. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so there we go. Now we just gotta put some gravy and we're good.